Karibu sana na ndio mwanzo murigereria ili tunyare kurigereria aria twariganire itokore aniretie na muri ngwiri tuko oria rero kire tore nere Dr. Omosoti Douglas kurinde tia mweri bagario ne anare ko kwana ireningo na ndi imingi yao kora na mingi tarachiko kwana tuko oria rero daktari karibu sana ni studio.
Asante wakirobia
Wakirobia
ase amalieta nkoroku Daktari Douglas Omosoti Rayori nche nigongo kolega ase Kis University buno mwalimu na somiri for more than 10 years in the School of Pure and Applied Sciences specifically nigongo toke department ya biological sciences whereby we teach undergraduate students postgraduate and apart from lende gosomia we do research so that as a research you identify as a problem area so that you try to come up with a solution. Remember we have to fill gaps which are already in existence in the community, and also something else we also do community. Yes, amangana CSR.
Mbuya mwana sana karibu ase studio na ndi tunyare ko sanga so muno abukebisi kore dinga no kiyete tunyare ko sanga senchera eyo kiri tunyare ko mayo chomole daktari neri yaki
umanyeta sama somo kero monta akorire the first degree tubwata undergraduate which is normally a BSc njenkolete biochemistry koro masters ngakora molecular biology but outside the country, that's from Brussels, Belgium. Kororo PhD ane nigo na graduated kuru Kisiga iga ase abangana limnology. Igo wono doctorate, it's the terminal degree omonta konyora samasomo. Igo wono there is no school ahead. Yes, Matilda.
Kiro kendo mwanzo morigeria nga no minebitari orenga studio orende ni bare omoro kia kuna agote biri kono tukurigeria magana yega science. Ose scientific teaching keningi oranyaro tebe mwanzo morigeria.
Scientific teaching kera tokonyarigeria a long time ago we had the traditional way of teaching whereby abana baweke class bategerera bayiguri bagario kuboria maswali. Lakini bona kero kurigeria samangana scientific teaching, this is whereby tugutaka abanafunzi baba engaged from the word go mbago tegerera guka lakini enda banyara gutwara ri bagario kuboria maswali and apart from kuboria maswali so that they can also have what we call critical thinking kwarire so that at the end of the day kwanyara buna abanafunzi bali at the end of the lesson kwanyara banyare ko grasp that concept so that at the end of the day that lesson becomes memorable bakunyara ko ebagento. Yes.
Ai no moroke ende bono ikirutugurigeria muro oberi omoya o CBC na kinjira kikwa temere ko yorigereria usena kikwa ndorore
kero nkorigereria CBC omoroberi oyo omoya no muya sana serikali njabwate birengereria ebiya lakini rende okonyora ntubwate oburemeru iganaria ebirengereria ebiya kero nkonyorigereria CBC ebwate neri okonyora buna kero mwana akorire eschool konyora ale skills apart from knowledge konyora ale skill skill ege karanyanyorire normally it's supposed to be in line ne passion ya egento kiri omwana anchete ose talent eri yae so that ekera akorire school a graduate okonyora bono na bwata an opportunity yo koerika osalikwe so that bono it will be able to address the aspect of unemployment. Yes.
Tukurigeria mangana science ne bwata practicals.
Yes.
Nande CBC nero ne bwata practicals. Tofauti ni reli.
Umanyete practicals the traditional way kwale nkonyora buna yale nkoba prepared kwanyora it is well structured but with CBC bono okonyora kero mwana agosomigwa nkoegwara an opportunity ero munyene bwe ko erengereria orengereria gento keria asomigwe in the process yo korengereria gento keria asomigwe ero munyene na bakunyara go come up maybe with a small experiment to try to explain what is happening. Omatera bono origereria for the longest time we have been hearing of climate change, global warming. Kwarire but bono ngakiura akore experiment so that umungino nkaga ali otachete school anyare ku understand those complex things the simplest way. So also abana barabunko bara an opportunity so that bono kibali class gali na bakora group discussions, they can come up with a small project, but in the process again tonkira bakolan there is a concept behind that. Yes.
Nandekero okorigereria umuroberi go CBC nchira kibono chira okumirana ne science chichinkoro
umunyete CBC na scientific teaching. These are brothers and sisters. Umayete CBC take over successful minus science. Umayete science, it's a way people do an inquiry. Umayete nubwate gento gita seberengera byao igente kyutaite koranga kyuko okoge formulate onyole lichibu. That's all about science. But CBC na yarokero kurigereria nchirero osiri. Ngo tema bale ko bring in the aspects of now practicals. Kwarorire. Urabona tikatoteme kale kera twali ngosoma gusiari. Twali ngotebwe muskinere kanisa nere you know asa abantu bagusabira. But with the CBC bono apart from whatever class ebintebyo there is that extra mile eskuru ego prepare yaira abana abo physically barore ebintu biri umayete korora koherorera nkongana okoigwa kwarore so bono CBC na berego na science na ero bono ero no gokora na maokao kwarora kwanyora lichi bono konyora CBC ebwate global image but bono science is the practical bit of it. Yes.
Mbe mana sana tokorigere umuroberi na 844.
Yes.
Chi science chinyinge kwara konyora abana kiro bago sa form 1 nari bago chako kumanyanga science ne bwate nande ukobage kana gusene bwate chinsage chinde. Lakini uyoiga CBC at what point abarokiwa abago chaka kumanyanga nimbonete ko chaka gukora physics nimbonete ko chaka gukora biology.
Mbiya mono Matilda se liburi elio omanyete 844 kurukale eto amanyete omwana kera ikire class 8 akonda form 1 okore emirimo yonse pili yarenko offered kera akonda form 2 onyara gochora. But now with CBC the way it is organized okonyora omwana nkobare ngotwarare that basic orientation from day 1, but by the time agochikoika grade 10 kwanyora omwana oyo bono very exposed to all sciences and all arts based courses. Kwarire so bono by the time agosoa grade 10 kwanyora bono nabwata an opportunity ntobwate art based courses and then tobwate science based courses, in this case what we call STEM. STEM etenenerete science, technology, engineering and mathematics. Bono kero to kwanera mangana STEM chi science chiro chuchuka nchibwate chinsaki chinyinge lakini una into mugusia toma eto nyagitali obo engineer kwararire na binde bikego lakini ekero konyora omuntu asomeire guchime mono chi science chiri chinsaki ne chinyinge. So that's why CBC eroro yogo prepare omwana mapema so that bono onyara komanya chinsaki echi chinde nchiri chechi. So by the time agoch konyora an opportunity yogo chora kwanyara wono omwana wanale prepared enough. Yes.
In grade kibawika bachaka kwanyara bachakire go specialize.
Normally ekara bagochikoika grade 10 gochikoigo bale that opportunity yogo specialize. That's why konyara bona matemnal batakere gochikokora so that serikali chikotumia that as a basis yogo chikotoma abana bagagochichi school gochikonyara chire prepared to handle them. Uraona gocho wikera sigete gocho konyara chi secondary cheitu echi chigo chikoba classified maybe chigo kora mangana science soka ayande maybe na arts even maybe na mangana sports. So bono grade 10 gocho mutu no gocho konyara abana bago chikoego that opportunity yogo chora elaini ri bago chikoego lakini ande manyaiga nonya bago chikoego ri bagelio there must be also performance bago chikoligerere ngakyo mwana yo gocha gutira ngaki abereko kago perform. Yes.
Mbe mono sana wika grade ya kianda kero obago ikarro nkonyora bare nkonya kwarigani kubare amang'ana ega yogochigo specialize otatiga bono ekero tokorigereria chisukuru chinyinge chioboroso gose ese grade gia kianda kiagachire nchibwati nonye chi laboratory abana abaiga nchira kibagokonyeka erinde bamanyanga ebinto ebi kero kine bagochigokora ebikobwatekana iga na iga gose babwati mbaraba exposed gose chi laboratory nchiyo ase chisukuru nchira kibarakonye korigereria mang'ana ya science
mbuya mono Matilda ase libori elio omaete CBC iga nebwate challenges chiaye na challenges chigakero gochirigereri echigocha na resources nekero tokwana mang'ana resources ne chibesa kwarorire bono kero konyore serikali yatengere chibesa chinke bose nchinyorire gocha koro kwanyora bose eskuru ya ikaransire isa balimu baikaransire barobora imeru babwate kwanyora barangeiria abaibuli baikaransanse bachi gotaya babuna temango kuri gibesa nke so that tunyari gutwara structure gete enyari gokonya abana aba kwarurire ono konyora baibuli mbatageti natai gwanja kwabo nabarabwe bitoki nebike you want challenges ne chinyinge nande bono that's why there is what we call a stakeholder omuibuli omwana kwarare omuibuli omwana omwalimu ne serikali ne community batakeire bachamo bakwanere ebintu ebi ikibugamo baigwanana so that bono kwa kero konyora chisukuru chire risabu mali nchibwati maybe resources but na bokonyora school in the neighborhood nebwate those resources is there a way chisukuru echibere chiranyare go collaborate chichamo kwarare bona bono manyete kero tokorigereria university yaitu ya Gusii iga chisukuru nchire gachi nyinge chinye tanaine kwanyara bona chisukuru ichiganchi bwato bulemeru bete na bekonyarekana amwalimu bwe sukuru nabagochaga ari university asabalibaga tiga abana bache bakore gento gete bose kwanyore sukuru gete in the neighborhood we have a national school ebwate resources chinyinge bakachinde nchire kutumika. Is there a way maybe school era anyare go donate some of these facilities to that kind of a school so that at the end of the day tunyare ko move amo challenges ne chinyinge but let's try to collaborate as a community.
Enimbwate riborio ntubwate nonye mobile laboratories ichi chiokotari gonga aboroki wakwanyoranga abako bakoreterwe ebintu ebi barabirikiriri nande byachenjugo gose byero skuru engao gose bagosanga bagenda barigereria skuru engao nande baira na guchase skuru yabo kogendera na masomo. Don't you think nga baroki wabaiga anko amang'ana nara manka kubaita
maetekero kurigeria amang'ana ya mobile laboratories nabachiro batio konyora even the initial cost which ya kwarorire nere igoro igobono it means serikali yenye nebona takotenga chibesa for that so that they can be able to cater for those far-flanked schools kwarorire but bono ligire libuya egento ngire nagotebi kwanyore skuru ere gaiga ayendere distance ya 2 kilometers was 1 kilometer was a few meters kwarorire kwanyore skuru ene bwata a lot of resources chitaiko ba utilized fully what if skuru ere gaiga in the neighborhood barenge gochamo batwara ne MOU umwanafunzi akwa access freely omaetege ntukirio korenta chideke ya mongoro kineke nege kombo gende na kerekyo tingo twara time yo interact nege kombe kelinkeligere buyama nyingi kegokora kwararire lakini inyora senko na nanya gokera kira lituko tinkweba
lakini tekoreta distraction.
No, there is nothing like omaetekero mobwata that kind of mutual agreement. There are rules and regulations chiko guide kwararire igobona kero konyore ebintu ebirororo nonye skuru yetabwati kende yatwalire an agreement with the other school baka babeke kabesa gake so that one in case egento giasarekere kwanyana na bono enko babare compensated but nande igaba ibuli baka basoime when those kind of things are being arranged and the community at large. Yes.
Ekero otu korigere bono amang'ana science ya manyene science chinyinge abantu gose abaroki bakoiranga chibwate chisabo nchera kiora kibege
chibwate
esabo
chibwate
gose calculations.
Yes tigawa nangote mama ite esabo ere class ebensi ali agokora esabo nero ebe no science esabo nero esabo ere class but kero korigereria chi science chinyene okonyora esau bono ekoegu number 1 because there is a lot of chi calculations chinyinge sana chigokorwa igo nere buyo omwana otema bwanche esau from day 1 asa bwato buremeru otema gokora practice gocha bono esau na benge utu wa mugongo kwarorire ase sciences neba biology neba kibuna bono maete kwanyora omonto ataete koba omunyagitari lakini tataete goete esau genda nyagitari gari orokero bagupima eriogo riri esau nerari kero koegwa eriogo gari ase chemist esau 2 times 3 esau nerari kwarore ekero kwanda maybe gosenji koni otaete bono otaete koba echef ekero otaete kobeka echumbi kwabeka amabuta esau nerari iga esau ere kirase from day 1 tiga tonyare kworokereria abana baito banche esau
lakini nonye korwa matuka magega abantu abange nkonyora orenge esau nebwate omochando nchera kioroche murache gochenji ose ensemo yechisemo irache koneki ng'a yachenjiri enchera eria omutazamo ori abantu abange babwate gochia ase esau gose amang'ana ntobwate buna bono chemistry ntobwate physics konyora abantu bayobwete anene mono tokorigeria abaorokiwa abasubati konyora mbabwate omochando sana gochia gokora emeremo eye gose omobaro okoba omoke
kero korigereria omanyete esau abantu bagoteba nenkong'were lakini ekero omonto erure aikaransire nse esau teri nkong'u buna bono ng'inyorete emiaka yaetire ekero nare nkonyora esau nare ngokora buya enarigeti omosani omanyete esau akang'orokereria naende omanyete chinchera na echinyinge chiogoita embebo kwarorire bono okonyora na bono onye esau esection gete yagosinyire esection gete nerore buya eri yagosinyire you give it more time kwarorire eri bwanchete naende ogoeta mono kwanyea less time kwarorire naende rinde abana banyara gochamo naende that's why kero okorigereria CBC there are several ways of they are trying to encourage abantu banyare kuperform buya esau materi kare bakarikire esau bakorika board but bono maete ebinto mbere biachire bikonyara komeka esau yaba rahisi
na CBC bako bayonjoirero
omaete kero okorigereria na bono na kero nkorigereria omwana ono ore grade 4 esau enchera akonyakora nenchera twasometiwe kero nkorigereria enchera twasometiwe yarenge enkong because twari ngotumia agatebo kari karenge mana lakini abana babono konya abana bagona bagoikaransa nse atware gose na ibangi ebinge ochaka kubidivide at the same time onyora richiurire gose kwanyora orikire chisiro chinyingo chito enchera getega onyora richi no yarenge enkong omwana omoke so bono chinchera ne chinyinge chiroro bono ga CBC ya provide so that abana banyare gwanche esau
tukurigere namang'ana technology
yes
kwanyora ng'a chiscience chinyinge nchitagete technology bono kwanyora ng'a nonye ase chisukuru echi chinyinge chibekire kwanyora ng'a nonye estimate iyo nonye ebinto buna chilaptop nchikonyara gokora emeremo aroro aro naki chiscience chirabasa gokonywa gose naki abana barabasa gokora nonye biology korwa ase esukuru buna eyo esukuru ere magega
technology yachire ya mekire ebinto ebinge biabeire rahisi computer yacha omanyete even physical kero omonto akora practical risk nero konyora ebinto mbere akobe exposed chemicals chiri sometimes inchiringia chichuma chiri bakwando sometimes inchiringia so bono ndiro konyora chi experiment chikoroswa online omwana akora bone video kwarorire bono we have online sources whereby chisukuru chiri chitaikonyara ku access maybe estimate nebintu ebigabinde chisime chitobwate nabo mwana akworokibu a video ngaki experiment getakere gokorwa and the kind of precautions abana to handle and also remember Africa ga igo mugaso no buchete onye estimate yo sola nero kwarorire so we also have organizations which are willing to donate some of these equipments to schools so that amasoma aende mutwe igochinjira nechinyinge chokora practicals the technology nerororo and even kero korigereri kwerende a ministry yaito ne provided those platforms whereby some of these demonstrations are there. Umaite nonya kero mwana achirenka akonyora chisime chiganchiro kwanyora omwana ale bose TikTok bose kende but ntubwate chi online sources chinde omwana aranyare gosoma
mbuya sana nande nebwate nero amang'ana aye gose nebwate emechando yaye kera abana bagutumia technology yiga gosoma sing'echo bagosoma ebinto ebinde batabwenereti nende tokorigera bono ase chi science echi tokumorekera anene mono ase CBC nchire chi osemere mokie yiga erense ya STEM
kero kurigereri umaite generally the word science ntubwate biology enyene noere lakini akonyarwana biology there is chemistry bit of it kwarorire kero bagosome ku science yeye kwanyara biology nero na chemistry koro ntubwate physics kwarorire nande ntubwate sub ntubwate amang'ana computer ngo chara swaime kwarorire no geography to a certain extent is a science but previously yarenko were classified as a humanity. Kwarore but geography kero kunyerigereri 50% of it in fact more than 50% is a science nero konyora ngochire ya swahili na mang'ana
injeraki
kero kurigereria you know actually some of the topics which are covered as geography kuna kero kurigereria physical features kero monta gosomererwa ye milima igoro ye chindoche igoro ya ice you know igoro ya mache ibintu byonse okonyora there is a lot of science in it but kero bagochaka gosoma mang'ana human settlement development urbanization that's more of humanities so wana bakona geography na rongochire ya sirase science no nyom science it is still a science
nande bono ekero bakorire ekero kende bagukora junior secondary school unkoso abari senior goika nande goika ekero bagochosa chi college ose university na kie science yeye egocha kurigirerirwa bono usenjira kie gochiko bakonya ekero basoire ase chi ebiwango ebirengo bye chi college universities
normally ase ebirenge bya igoro normally okonyora abanafunzi chikosi chiri bagochora okonyora negento omwana anchete ne passion yaye ne talent yaye gento kali ataite gukora bono okonyora kero omwana agochora ekosi buneyo okonyora there are those basic requirements okonyora chire set kwarire na bono bosesa buneta keire grade gete kwarire bose chemistry neta keire grade gete bono kere gochuka chinga kichiri okonyora there are those basic requirements omwana abona ta commit igero tobwati shortcut ende yonse nande ngakeyo omwana natakero eguribaga ochore gento kiri atagete tari omuiburi otaete goteyo omwana akore chinga kicho omuiburi nchietete one chinga kicho omwana nobogema bwa omwana tigo omwana igwe priority ochora ekosi eri atagete nande bono kero abana bagochora chikosi echo ogochikonyora bono depending in institution beeterete automatically nabo konyora ba very exposed the kind of courses which are available ura bono nginyorete tanda ko example kemo umuibuli nale omwana oyarangirete gwachi gokora science irieta batamanyete tukoroka nautical sciences nautical sciences mbali bako ndie meli chibot roche kwanyara no umuibuli buno uyu nachandegete sana no mwana nachandegete batekero umuibuli achete tugaikaransanse tugashare at a wider range kamotebie kosi nengiere buna to kwana karana megetie follow up umwana ina bagogete utarire chinse chinyinge nande takorigret so there are so many other courses chia sciences bantu batamanyiti that's why mbuya abantu tosiboke to seek for information from our people who are already exposed was as institutions chiri chitoeta naine nande goitera bunege pindi bunekega konya toreto go educate abantu baito the kind of maybe opportunities which are there
mbia sana ukorigire abuna university ya Kisii chikosi chichechi science y'abantu ekonyara gofa kusi aboroki gwa baragenda ro banyore bago chikora chitari buna echi chia kawaida abantu bamanyete buna bono obonyagitari buna konyo gwatebire na bwo bwinjine nchire chichira available boniga kusi nonye sense ya Kenya gero kurigereria omoroki waragende amanye ari no kwigena na bakonyoro bosemi boisaine korwa as a institution yeye agenda akora imirimo.
In general, tiganke beke gomate abana baitekera bakorire university yabanarete kurigichi gasinka. Tigo mwana amanye gekera akorire university rene global citizen na bakorigie gasi andons. Igobona bakonyora chi science sinchirororo kwarorire bantu batanya kuigura kini opportunities cha inchiro outside the country. You know, for example, Keronkorigeri as a university aito, each university chid, there are some courses which we offer. Kuna wanamtuwate chaba biochemistry, mtuwate biotechnology, mtuwate conservation biology, kwarere, mtuwate Kerokonda the School of Medicine, mtuwate so many other programs. Kuna wana Kerokonda university chinde chiri chibwata mangana engineering, kwarere, mtuwate maybe amangana aeronautical engineering, amangana automotive engineering. You know, nechi nyinge chire neli yani omwana kerako chole course from the word go tigonyole enough information about that course ne kerako nyasoma osako nyasomera by the time wako graduate okonyora nando interact na abantu abandi konyora opportunities inchiro igobona kerako cha konyora omwana ocholire course boso omwana gocha somo iguri akomotebi course yatanya koibo muibuli tabasa gustuka information nero online abagotumie simu bose nabako anda ase jirani oyo manyeto bomanyi bose nabako bwatatara ase nonye institution yaitu chi technical institution sinchiro chinyinge oko walk in ali ase reception wakora some basic inquiries once with that basic inquiry kwanya romo ibuli abaire empowered ono manyire kumanya more about that course.
Yes. Eno bono buna barokia njira kimwatemire wikera abana baigana nya ba CBC mubatebi na kichi science echi chigokora guse njire chichire ase ense ya Kenya muntaranyara wesemia.
Normally when into abali mu university there is something I said amangana community engagement. Through community engagement ndiro konyara toko na twatara guchas chi school echiga twanyara gukora amangana career guidance. Twanyara gusomia abana what is available. Apart from that ndiro konyara university gocha organize activities okonyara bona abana bechi school ngocha bale banyara go participate wana science fairs ibintu bunebyo ndiro gocha kwanyora chi school na chiro chongocha chiri cha take initiative okonyora school okonyora abana barurale bache university bacha gutara. In the process bagocha gutara gali we normally have a session with those students. So by having that session abana kunyara bali kubolia maswali gutara bongo kunyara bali gutwara an academic tour ya university to about different facilities, the kind of programs which are there. So by the time umwana agokora kurugali bakwira na school kwanyora utwalira an informed decision. Unabona maite some people have been asking why are we attracting so many students here? We have so many reasons why we can explain that. But Keronkorigere we are open to everybody. Echi skuru ngoja chire gali chinyinge wiki tekwara. Akonyora basi ibere chitaracha gali chiskuru awo bagocha kotobuli igoriye project programs to bate. So generally tiga toteme kubwaterana media houses na abantu abali informed batema kwanda chiskuru echiga batema go sensitize the community and also abana bali school. Yes.
Ekero umwatemire kwena no basemia inga kichi school echi koirera gusena kikero gena moro cha abana ba CBC ba correspond
bona bono kero to kuligera implementation of CBC it has been a challenge because of resources. I remember ndire na toilette a small initiative you go donate books to our school na ndegente kege achete ekero to abwate there was a program better funded by the Australian government. Chitegoche route ya gusiga igabataete ko reach out to high school teachers. So we had teachers from different schools who were selected in Kenya. So by having those teachers, we gave them a lot of information which was important. But also we had a book initiative book harvest. Some people call it book harvest, book donation, whichever. Bono kero konyore school about the challenges to achieve ororo to anye donate some few books by a click of friends. To achamo to donate books. Ngocha tole tu atema kubuhati baadaye. Kero tu achitenga ki performance ya lenge. Kwarali. Na afterwards kuna wane school nere tu atu arwete vitabu. Emi grade yaba ya lenge inse sana. But this time round ekarabuna matemu asogata. When we made a follow up, there was improvement across all the students, and even they have now had an opportunity to mwana kwenda university. So there are so many initiatives that people can do.
Tukurige bona curriculum ya masomo geneze go change. Toikire grade 9. Nchira kichi college chi university wase universities chi bangire kwene kinga timori go chigo ikero gose konyorwa ekira boruki wa baiga ba go swa ase go chora chikoze au tetoka nga syllabus bitao bigo tumeka mbira toka gose no nya balimu aba chi lecturer nchire aligani
karam koligere li swali elio. There are several ways of answering it. But let me begin from where Asenkorwa University today. Currently, we are reviewing all our curriculums to take care of CBC. Igabono konyaruda bone curriculum ya education. Tuanye ligereiri tuanye change so that it cover in line na CBC requirements. Kero cha sciences, we have also done the same. Apart from that, kero koligere mangana equipments. The universities are also trying to get the most recent equipments in terms of technology, so that by the time to go admit yabana okonyora is just but a smooth sail. Mwana go so atu kwanyore bintu tayari bire. Apart from that, from the ministry point of view, they are also coming up with program short courses whereby abalimu bakoiru for a refresher course baba trained on some few or basic aspects to do with CBC.
Okora nginga mwe bangete kigime kiagera aboruki bagocha kurwa CBC ndiko barabange mono. Njira nere mwe bangete go expand nonye chi laboratory ose nonye classrooms chiraroro.
Currently most of the institutions kerokoligere there are new structures coming up. New buildings chinyomba ne chinyingi chiandata kwa gacho. Chinyomba chire in preparation for additional students pali bago chikucha. Kuna njabona keronkoligere ligali ya setore chi laboratories chaitu tuachimentre. Some of the equipments chiri tutabwate nkonto andrete go acquire. Echinde chiaguliro echinde chire in the process of procurement. Igobona bakonyorana most of the things, even ibitabu one biandrete go change. Ne gitabu ko goralero kera hard copy. Give it 2 years down the line. Which akonyora a lot of information ya change. That's why to buy the soft copy, the university, or generally universities across the world got them a go partner with one another so that the online sources it's also available to everybody in real time.
Nekire okorigereria aba mubwata baroki wabonoiga bagochikokora guseko babalimu nchera ki bara umoko ene kinga ebirange bibya masomo mokoba mbachiko babarokiwa baganiri chinga kicho.
As we keep on changing the programs, we also try to take care ya abarokiwa balibara waboniga so that by the time bagochiko soka kwanyora mbale competent. Nonya baiga ba sciences abakora technical courses or the humanities. We also preparing them enough. So by the time bagochiko soka iskali mbale tayari. Apart from knowledge, we also try to enhance in terms of skills. Whereby kirokuri ibono buna tukwana chi programs chirito gosomia. Chiko outlines chirito korosia. There is a component of skills. And even the way we teach in class, now things are changing. Kale alenge lecture mondo kwanda wakora gwasoka. Lakini boniga there is a paradigm shift. Tuikwanda wakwana. Nabogo kwana kwala wanafunzi na barao babolia maswali. Even you can have them in smaller groups. They have a discussion. Apart from that, you also have projects. So at the end of the day, kwa kero konyo rumwano yago chakosoka isko gaiga. are holistic, yani are complete. Apart from nabwate amasomo isaine, nabwate skills chisaine, and also the ethical aspects. Omaete gasi ndi onsi umuntu akora. There is what we call ethics. Igabona ngo tematura abana na into na barabu baba within that. So we are preparing them enough. Yeah, well, people should not be worried.
Mbiyamana sana. Aye, okay. Personally, kwanya ko interact na abana baba CBC.
On daily
basis. No nye kirasi gose skuru abana baiga bari onyara go share na barabu.
Buna nago tebigo. Na chire to some of these schools. Unabona kero na alinge koligia abalimu. I had an opportunity to go to these schools. I had first-hand experience. Let me tell you, even you as a media house, take time. Go to these well-established schools. Or the kind of facilities for Buate. Omanya kwanda to the remote schools. Or the kind of facilities for Buate. They are afar away. Yes. That means na atemire na achire chiskuru echi na kwanire na abana through motivational talks. I'm not able to enumerate all the schools na achire nechi nyinge lakini rende ngote matore as an institution. We also have other programs that we reach out to the community.
Okay.
Na rende abanafunzi kero mu kwana na barabo nkonyorore bagota no bulemeru babwate maybe abalimu facilities inchiri enough, you know. Konyora bande financial challenges, bono konyora class attendance still continuous. But by stakeholder involvement, most of these things are addressed. Yes.
Nse kia yoroche serikali bonira nyari kumuki kitambukiro konekinga ekero abana baiga bagendere to gusoma gose bakonya gosuka ku level ya muchi yende techa wikase nande banyore bakwamire. Ekiagira buno kurigirerio onya bagosa grade 9 omochando toka bagochigosa nande senior secondary school emiaka 3 nande bachigosa chi college nande baka echikora tokanga batwariro okoremero ose serikali ya berige konyorwa nsere kiro che serikali ya nyara kwane kya manganaya aikiranire ase chinga kichiri chiganire
serikali nebwato kubwa nande nebwate resources. Serikali ne lieta kirega committed. Kero kurigereri asamangana yoko implement CBC neta techibasa chinyinge sana. And the stakeholder involvement. So there is what we call public private partnership. Again, serikali tanyale korosia, but the private people can be able to come in and partner and maybe solve that problem. But generally, because it is the government which initiated amangana CBC. They should have a deliberate move. There is a lot of misallocation or misuse of resources. Why do we have several montondo ichuri ase governor ataite basari, wanda ase MC ataite basari, kilo monton kwa nale basari. Chibe se chale nkoira na ase ministry, chibe budgeted for. Ojene vitabu baligipa publishers banya implement whatever is required for bisoke mapema kwarali so igobono tige serikali tu ale priority asamangana education provide enough resources in advance chirichitakere so that one ki umante na bono ntuma itana bana bali grade 9 kwanda bali 10 next year it will not be a miracle ntura aware so between now and January in case serikali bwena tokopara ili abantu bali bakulike vitabu baba tebiga ntutotaite na cake. What is the cost of doing that? It is this much. Nande serikali be faithful. People will be motivated to proceed. But kama bata na mtoje tokole kwanya na bono neurology grade 6 as we speak in some of the textbooks. Nchio. Then it means maybe the publishers or the people who are contracted to handle those kind of things. Maybe they have been disappointed along the way. So we need to trust one another. Serikali na into abantu bayikobaga so that tunyale ko musarama. Na anderende temene tubona kirega tututigera serikali. Buno moyiboli nkaga iga. Keroro che bitabo bya serikali byanyori rugocha. Lakini iwete nkone ubire tawo. To ko ni ngoka yemo uchugure gitabu ikyo so that umwana okarago chakobe pilot mambe. Na chako gure chingoko. Igona into buna bayiboli. Tubona gusira. amang'ana ya CBC bono
erio kane kinga ihanyarire goikerana naende ntwakwandira amang'ana yaba abasubati anene muno bono ase chinsemo nonye chiogosomia kero kurigereria sciences tiri gutwara abasubati nonya abaorokia abange nchera ki eyeng'ana eranyare gokoro kane kinga nonya abana omwana omonyaroke keragotema gosoa ekerasime emeremo bune ya physics eria abanto bakoira ng'a kero kende na echisabu gose na enkong'u abana abanyaroka banyarire koyeimokia
ekero okorigereria omaete abanyaroka generally for the last 20 years twatwarire abantu abange sana bakoinvesti ase abanyaroka bakeba bamura in the process yoko university asa abanyaroka kwanyora na babaire all the necessary resources lakini mbachi kubatena ngaki sciences yechiga nchibwate future nande nchiriko kwarire iko bono netakeire uno mwana omunyaroka ero munyene anjera na sciences nchiriko mu irinda nyale na progress kwarire nando let me tell you we have so many organizations Unaboniga kerong kurigereria, you know, I take time and go online. Kerong kurigereria mangana scholarships. There are so many scholarships as omunyaroka atakire. Nebe miaka ya beire menge, nebe yore miaka emeke. There are so many organizations which are willing to support omwana omunyaroka. Kwarire bako egu priority omumoroto wisco. Ikobono tiga abanyaroka bamanya na sciences inchiri nkomu na opportunities inchire gochumutugana nande bono nonyekero kurigereria serikali yaitasa abasubati bayiruribaga bakorire gasi engia kubwana oni into abasacha bali twayiruribaga erio buna bono kero nkorigereria there is a person imanyite urwete from a humble background babwate enough resources no musubati kwarire nabe anyarete ko korumukia bakabone gale professor gotare ensengino kwarire and also another person I know umwalimu onsometi umusubati onsometi class 5 but buna to kwana bonega ne daktari yale so it means you might have a challenge lero geko gerato nyara gukora gento gete lakini mambi ende kero kwanyorera an opportunity go back and continue from where you left
Mbia mono sana nandi tukoirana ase ebirengo obia masomo tubate bono emirobere gose ekirengo kia tubate murobere go TVET abana gosomera ase chisukuru chobobundi ekero ukoyurigereria nabo igo aebuno omwarimu gose omworokia nchira kikoirire murobere yoiga
umaite TVETs normally kare HRing go for craft courses, certificate courses, and diploma courses. Chinga kichi aitre. Lakini asichinga kichi abono, okonyora some of these TVETs cheimuki wekerengo chiabire chi university. Go chei class na bachi go for chi degree, ana bachi go for masters, ana na bachi go for PhD. Go bona some of these TVETs. Mwana la kole certificate, kera itira kole diploma. Akole degree, akole masters, akole PhD. Igamba bagai naro. So TVETs normally they were established so that chinyare kwa abana skills. Chiamaboko. Even to be practical. And a lot of resources. Chiabekiroro. Unaona kero kuri lichaiti iturogoro gaiga. The kind of structures, the kind of laboratories, you know, the kind of skill labs babuhate. Chiri chinyinge. Nechi course chiri chinyinge na hande kachurigereria abana bali bagwetara TVET chiri kero mwana ebegete buya keraso kirisko gaiga oino mwana obwembe nonya segas kera irwe gas akore gas no muki bona
mbe mwana sana science yakosomirwa ase TVET institution ni University College ni university ne bwate tofauti
kero kurigereria tofauti telinene ase university kera konyora mwana agosomera egento gete nabo konyora ngo kurukira ase diploma bosa ase TVET ngo bafale kwarire but kero we at the university level ukomenta tura another layer of which okonyora that level at ikoego igobono there is a difference as a university we go deeper and we do more but as a TVET level they do less but they do more of hands ebintu bya maboko bagokora mono lakini ebintu buna bonekera okora machine ikorani ase university nkonda tuli twanda guchumuino lakini okwanyora iga bwetivete agote na machine egento getego kora kera yakirire kwa bataga lakini ntuona nkonda tuli beyond that so igo beise to tofauti mpavero
lakini ni bwaterero nko faire chiko specify anene muna samangana sciences TVETs
TVETs enji bwata sciences chinyinge sana
mbiya muno sana ekero okugenderete kobera imbe y'omurobiriga nigo turarige kogenda ase ogotimoka goke erinde tonyare koirana torigererie ayande amange ase amangana yaiga ACBC nabo igo chi science gosemeremo ye chi science go mancho morigereria nabo gosange kerengereri kyao gochiga ase studio sonyo kobwate okoboria onyare gosanga gochaiga ekerondo chebuna bono chinsemo echi cha Facebook na bange tore nabo imeyo morobere na Benjamin Nyaboro Alex Mauti Edwin Omwenga Yobeshae na Embusuro Engia Robin Nyambinya Omosori Bwegesusu Jeria Kerubo Frederick Ogembo na Madam Pauline Pilipili Hoho agoteba kurochinse mochiatimani anawakilisha abantu bonsi agoteba twabokiribia nga aroche bwakire Teresa Kimunto agoteba korwa Karatina present tuned in Roda agoteba nga korwa chinse mochiricha Gulf no areme omorobirio na boigo na riganeti abanda abange na Brian Nyankeya noari ime yomurobire na Andrew Matunda agoteba live Nyamira Town ime ya top 6 Salams Club na Chantel Mora ndo chagoteba na YouTube mbia mona sana agendera koba ime yomurobire na boigo kinatogenderete korigeria mangana yichisemi nopukonyara gusanga ekerengereri giao gwetera ase namba yetu ya studio ndoche mbare bakonyagotema wake simekore ngukubore onyare korikari uko erio tunyare gusanga ase enchera ayabene namba yetere 0726 44 73 67 manyire tere awo chinsemo chiri kwambwatire koro emambi yabono nabo igo narari oganetie komanya gusekora so mogene oito anene mono asensemo eyo ye chisemi chinsemo cha Facebook yendare comment section onyare kube karibori riao ororo na YouTube notore masemo unagetembe TV
Getembe Television ekionga kiamamogusi.
Ine kwabeire gukorera asenga kintambe guse nigo kwarwalire na gusalia endibo enyinge bono tokwa omoyo inyagitali ya World Fit Health Centers nero lichibuliao nyuranga nonyorobu wenia bwa maruire amange abuna amaruire yesukali amaruire yenda amaruire yomogongo na yande amange.
We call your prostate eno borwere bwasumbuira bagakenga abagaka sana bwe sukari what we call the genesis of diabetes ngaki borwere bwe sukari bo somo bero goime hypertension no borwere kramanyinga kogenda ibure somo bero walfiti itosomete chincheresa tojokorwa ya marwaire enchede ntangani itosomete ngendo nga conventional medicine yani ubonyagitari obwa kawaida itosomete ngendo nga nutritional medicine. Nutritional medicine na marioga aliakurwese endagera ya ito ya kawaida. Kwa mfano we have amino acids, ntubwate fatty acids, ntubwate vitamins na kadhalika. Bigo tumeka eso korwari ya marwaire. Nchirende ya gata tosomerete neka tugutumia international herbal medicine. Tugutumia marioga akurwese mete twarwari ya marwaire. Igao muchito bosongo monene ntobwate clinic yeito ase nyumba ya Uhuru Plaza noerega iga marikiti gaiso wako ninyama kwali na iguru wachi wake goroba ya gatatu erumu 307A ntobwate branch mu Eldoret ase nyumba ya Kogo Plaza first floor room 2.
Walfield Health Centers umusani ogo asamarwaire minyoka.
Getemba Television ekionga kiamamogusi.
Are you ready to become the next biggest music star? Do you have what it takes to compete with the best of the best? Oh, yeah! And walk away with over 1 million Kenya shillings in grand prizes. Auditions are open for Kenya's Star Search on Saturday 1st February and Sunday 2nd February at the Nairobi City Hall Charter Hall from 8 a.m. to 5 p.m. Come through and show us what you're made of. Proudly sponsored by
Star Times. Enjoy digital life.
Getemba Television ekionga kiamamogusi.
Enyagitari ya Nuga Best nenyagitari ya chirengu maso gusegasigire mechando aoya marwire ayo agendera ko bagagucanda mwanya banto nigo babwate emashini yekerero eyo ekorongeya egete kyomogongo yanyinyitora emekia yane kyabuna chingurungo toka chire ase omubere yasibya manyinga egatimrimende emashini ye nigo eroseranirie amaryogo ayo akorokwa nano diamond titanium ayo agotumeka ase okugwenia ale nayo obokoreri wanuga best nigo bole obwigoro mono ase babwate mechibi eyo ekugwenia marwire yenda buna bulya bwa ovarian cyst fibroids prostate enlargement egatia yanda mange wigo mbabwate mashine nde okubeka samalekao eyeko yarungeya igati yobokoreri bunde obu bakubwatuka imenya gitaliriga iko bakwigura kera lituko ochakera chinse 11 chamambya gweka chinse 12 chambagaroba Nuga Best nigo bagotuka imiyumo cyubo songo ase nyumba ya Oru Towers lirongo lya kabere ase bare nene ku chinse mu kire cya Kisi Kisumu
nja samarieta ngoro kwano ngaki ana arwaleta marwaira ara mange nkagenda chinya gitari yao korigyo bogwenia egere mbwene chinya gitari narete ne chinyinga konyoro bogwenia nkaewa mariogo nkanywa lakini timbe eti nkonyoro bogweni boikiranete kero nacha Nuga Best ngashugulikerwa nkabango chakira lituko nkorara chimashini cha Nuga Best chimashini echinje abete chigonkonyo mogongo yone nkabwena arthritis nkabwena asthma nkabwena pressure boigo na maroya nda manga yale ngo mubirone ntamanyete na wenete
asamange bakirisi migwetera sete namba chabo echo chire 0700260518 gose 0770268169 gose 0770410411 wigo nabukubatalira ase website yabo eyuere www.nugabestke.com Nuga Best kutanga mbuya kubwa kubwenia.
Getemba Television ekionga kiamamogusi.
Yeah, nkuri yule obe umumanyi buo bogendia tibuwa buwa RS Modern Driving School nesukuru yo bogendia yuego kwali bagali yobomanyi ase ibrasi bikobuatia etu ase chipigepige nkwegeli abali boigo chigali cha automatic na light vehicle ase boigo bakwegeli ya C1 C2 ase chitruck D1 D2 na D3 ase chigali cha matatu amangana maya naya ni gobaletire emashini yekerero ye driving simulator awo ase aborokiwa bagosomera nyumba batali kogenda ebara banyone ase chinsagi chabobuna Kisi Keroka Sondu Isebania Lolgorion Keanja Suneka na Ntibaru asamange nabukubakira esini ase chinamba 0725659500 05 gose 0759100009 boigo 0101098181 RS Modern Driving ase obogendia obuya.
Getembe Television ekionga kiamamugusi.
Karibu sana ninde umwanjo murigire kira tugendete kurigiriria amangana yechisemi anene muno chisayansi no murobiriga OCBC Dr. to kurigiriria nainde kwanyoranga enjira nere kurigiriria murobiriga OCBC utari kubwatekana no uri omukoro no nyinjira kurigiriria bitabu bya bana birerero mbiri kubwekana ntofauti kikwarorire gukwane kinonye nyumba mwawe gose ase abana bari kwarorire ba CBC
mbiye mona ase liboli elio nginyore chinga kichiaitire ibitabu twagasabanire community umuntu oyo mukagorire omwana ari mutu denta community nabo bakonda banyagoboru mwana gaikire kirasi kiamate mwana onyagete urura aguchire mutu textbook wachu gwasaba lakini kero kurigera CBC bone nchira ebitabo bikale korosigwa nere tofauti yake. That's why bone ya end up kuba very expensive which ya saba ibuli because bone ntoko nyara gusaba na bitabu nona mwaho nyumba no twaro mwana ore grade 5 oyo ore grade 4 kumubwate kurumaga takunyara gutumia bitabu byaye because yo konyara kiro mwaka ebintu mbire bike bakona comment time umanyete CBC is an ongoing learning process na nuno che technology na regenerate ku change. That's why you plan, you implement, you evaluate. Then after go evaluate kara kwa shortcomings ya sichire kwa improve kwarade naona ikara kwa golire simi ngotunko nyotumia ole kwa makonyora nebwato bole merugete wacho kwaliye yende na CBC nero na berego so that's why konyora most of the books chiko na go change lakini rende nere buya serikali eteme kubeka chibesa asiguro ye bitabu nande bitabu bibe readily available mapema so that ya Bible imbanya go feel that weight yogo tumia chibesa chinyinge yoko nyara kuira umwana ye school especially asamanga textbooks and that's why maybe now we can try as much as possible to embrace technology deba galio moiboli kugorege tabu yake nenya kana school yanda yaros nonya maybe chi project anjiro panda ba project enya siga kwarade so that wana bana bonsi barora biribita keire nabo mwana nabakulika some of those demonstrations now we kunyalekana so hakuna haja sometimes yuko baada ni aba ibuli muona tigachi skuru na kile cyo kiteme kitware gutwara some basic solutions at least to cut down cost as aba ibuli technology yakire
ne wa bana bagotebanga bakulika chi textbook ene
bone gakero kuri nabona kero kurigereria abana bane ki babwate ebitabu chiseti ibere ntobwate biri chi textbooks ane babwate biri byomwaka na bakulika ime bono tindo chiwae omwana omaite textbook eri kale njabwata asimo gosoma yatwara sama swali ale twale ngotumia exercise book kwaralire but bono kwanyoro mwana bwate textbook kando ne bitabu bya assignment ibire kando kwaralire bono konyoro muibuli yago akoinika double cost na ande final na ando gore exercise book kwa bone ibire bitatu again takable maybe we can try to sit down as stakeholders tukirigirira kibwagare tore bakituranyare kokonya aba ibuli cost yenyare gwakea
mbiya mono sana una anakumanya mpare aigandoche nara igubwate riborio asa agote akurukwa Jackson Choi agoteba Alana needs to be an accountant. What are the best steps to go through oyo I think ni gakuburi kubwatikana ase omurobiri wa CBC.
Yes.
Omuntu aganete koba accountant inchira kiaranyare gose imbi rengo kiabonete gwetera. I think naganete kuburi gusenga emirimo kiabonete gukora.
Kero mwana ataete koba accountant. Ina mangana a business. Bono umaete muntu takobe accountant kwanza turamanya accountant ngasi kibakora. Mostly accountant yakonyore bakoba asi institutions bona bokonyora bago deal na igoro ya yechibesa records yechibesa inere gasi bakora. Bono mwana itagonyora gukipu record yebesa nyatama itisabu esabu ne bwana takobo nande kwanyora rende ntubwate business courses na kiro cyo bagosoma. Apart from that kwanyora omwana yakara akolire course yeyo onye ne diploma bose ne degree there are those additional maybe trainings batakere gukora muri sona mangana CBAK kwararire. Those are additional training courses omuntu abone gukora iho nere buya omwana akore buya sesab na businesses na anda amanyega mwana otari bitabo byoka gochikoriwe ngo cyare go udumia abantu na bakonyora onde umanyete kegusigyo ondo umanyete gesongo ondo umanyete geswahili igemere meite shortcut languages shortcut tell you.
Yes, na ndiko kwandire into kienge njoke kuru kwa mangana ethics.
Yes.
Tubwate mirimo buna ciarie gukonya kusomia abana njira bakoba ekero obakucha gukinda guse kokora imirimo buno aba Kristo na bari bagukora ase chidini chinde chinyinge na kiba konyara kwebeka no nyekira obare ase emirimo bono ntubwate nande abaibori wekira boniga gusaba abantu abange bagenderete ko gusama ega igoro mu roberi go CBC bakonya gotebekira ase kero nga umuroberi otori moronge ngira nyara gukwanira wekira matuka ega
nche uno mwana science wase una scientist kero ngorigeri CBC ningia sana. One kero mwana gocha gukora by the time gocha wike university basachi gukora career ya line iri atagete ugocha konyora mwana yo eteire binte binge sana abwate skills chinyinge sana. So with the CBC self employment it's one of the priority whereby mwana ukole school hachelike but onye tata itikwelika oyo taite kulikwa na bago chikulikwa. So CBC telimbe is only that maybe challenges tukonya go face umaita na benge umuibuli obwato mwana oyo mutangani challenges ne chinyinge mpaka na baikasa uibuli ubona abakomo tingonyora mwana onde kwarire. So na CBC na into akoba bone most of the things we are doing them at the first time kwarire. As time progresses ukona ratole na ntoje tora matunda tugusime ka avocado rero utako ogese kengima bakera akora chingaki ekine ebeka matunda tumaekogesa igo CBC we give it time toro muntu konyerigere libuya iga nengiyere
Mbeya mono kira bono emechando igati yemechanderie kendete kweneki was umuroberi iga tukorigire bono tukumurikira chisukuru chira serisa bome kose rural schools na kichiro chiranyare kokonyo irinde chikere na chiro chekerenge kikebwenerete singenjo natonya gukwane ekira sekero togontebinga eskuru nerere kiro kende well equipped lakini muchando noro kendete kone kiwaroro lakini nchiro ichichire magega pichira serisa bo chitabwati nonye ibintu biri baranyare gwetogeria osebiri nonyo mwana aranyare gotebanga mpimo konye nga kichiro chiranyare gwikira nigo chirengane ne skuru chichinde
kire skuru ne bwata challenges chire unique na the moment kire skuru ya manyira bokongo boliye bwata busobore meru boliye bwata neta kire management ye school abayibuli abalimu na abana baikaransanse banyara gutwara conversation ba discuss kuroro in the process yo go discuss konyara bare go share ideas baranga kibaranyare ko move forward again to gia kabere nere buya I know schools have never thought of that, of which I said where we can have MOU whereby oje timbo atigen to get I know what ntonya algo sabana at a small fee eskuru yebwate eyetabwati kera baibuli bachangira kabesa gake babekoro bone eskuru ndi yanyorera kabesa lakini equipment yabo bado ngotumikere nendrete kukonya abantu abange mo hakuna haja kwanyora eskuru bwate maybe chi microscope 50 20 echiresto 30 na chichikotumika kwarire echiga 20 chiresto eskuru yale in the neighborhood yale ngeko gwetumia in the process toya yakonyera abantu abange. So let's have that kind of collaboration between our schools. Let the principals come together and solve that. And also tigatotema koligereri from serikali. Serikali naero netakire koligereri kere allocate resources. Kimuna bona most of these national schools kero koligereri abana bali bakolete kurwo the alumni. Alumni association ekonyora chire very strong. They come back to that school. They donate a lot of things. They do a lot. But chi school chichianse gari konyara abana ambanye gukorero. Mwana gocha gusema form 1 form 2 wandenga. Bona konyara school bune litaira ise gutwara very strong alumni yogo chamo yanyara go keep that school on toes. Na ande tigatota venende kero tokoligereri in the community. Abantu mbaro konyara bari well off. Bose babwata na idea. Bagenda back to that school. Batema ko encourage abana, batema go support abalimu. So that at the end of the day the school yanyara koimuka.
Webona sana. Ntobwate hono chibesa cheche basari buna wakono kurase ekegancha gesterikali. Nchira kiro cheche basa chichira nyara gutumika erikone kinga ibintu ebibigi gendete kuse obulemero obuiga chiskuru chibwate buna bono okubora gwechi laboratory computer labs nchiyo naki chibesa chichira nyara gusona na erikone kinga abarai gete bose bari babwate chibesa ichi banyare gwikirania magendero anene muno ase chiskuru chiri chiremeire pi.
Mbuya mona se liboli elio no injengo na kweboli nde nande na chete skuru nde nkaraboli matekera nanya urete babwate ebirasi ebinge sana biyaga akire biya biri kire laboratory kogo so imene hall
kwa na mbubwate
kenenge laboratory ne structure imekene nkeyo mbaka ngacha nkaraboli oyo koba magana yo CDF nkamuboli bonekera muko gache laboratory nere buya mwabe kamba kebintu magatana yaya ekorende as power mandate etukwa gacha ntekunyara kubike bintu bireme nkamanya go is political ebago kore bintu biri abantu bakoro maito umuntu acha igo agore chi microscope 100 chikonya abana chiresto bantu baisko gambali go chakoro bone bakore bintu biri bikorokara lakini for the well-being of our children and for their future tigatoteme koligereria nyene lab tukwagacha to make sure lab inere complete a functional lab onyene library agacha beka chisel beka na bitabo bike chibesa chikoera ya matenero na ichamente bitabo inde buna bono narorire chi school chinyinge sana chibwate chibasi bakanye buli eskuru yeri sabu tebwate pale go chio lakini bwate basi yakwanda banyetenenia ese skuru ende was a basa priority wako ende skuru eyo abane bagotwe chidesk inchiyo so bono ngocha nasinga yabantu bagoikaransa body ya CDF osiki bachi go etana bono basi chibasi tigatoteme go change our direction chibasi kiri chinke chiarago riruche sanere nawe chigusabana kwarore. Let's go back to those schools and see what is urgent. Bon. Toko nyoranya na abana onye yarenge boarding facilities is an issue. We can chip in. Toko nyoranya nechi laboratory echo skills lab or ene carpentry maybe workshop etakeire. Twagora all those equipments twabe koro. Nahande umora yomuya. Kera aena nire bintu biri nahando maeta abantu ngocha bali kere bintu biri bigocha. Nao bakora nonyo mwana kera ko ndaka na watana ki omugambi uri ito kose musiye yaito njatore ndere bintu geto na bakumukwana bia nonyo muibo mabako yuna ki at least omwana one na ndrete kokonyaka
baka abaga chi structure chinen na devalike amalieta
bakolika amalieta and I've never seen the essence of writing chibesa chiri bagotumia kolika tikabagorere umwalimu monene bwe skuru yino nyaka karoga kayaiga nonyekera abantu bagocha komara barakweli ne principal's office kituri gitegalie skuru eye ne kurukuga ne moto yaye that information is enough bono kwanda kwa gacha gachoe corner donated by CDF koko ende kirasi abana abaige mbure ko batwera. You know, we need to figure out. Let's have our priorities right. A stakeholder involvement. I always insist stakeholder. Kuma ito muntu begete giato nero maeta asiki kumuruma. Igo niri buya. Kere MCA, kere MP, bata ito kolege ndo uchi ase school. Bacha baikaransa. Sibuna bone kero tuango kora book donation. Ena tuachira asichi school ibere. Tuarure bitabu binge sana. Gwetera abasani bane. Nande university nero ya to supportri. Tukarue bitabu. Etu achitu tukababori. Mboko nkimubwate. Akatotehebia bitabu biri bya serikali mbiro. Lakini revision books intobo?
Ntobwate.
Lakini twalengo andalio kana watu wangu gure bitabu bya kawaida biko bibe useless. Kwarire. Igo bona kero kuburio muntu mbure merukia bwate. Na bako gotebi. Igo kwa mukonyire. To mentero muntu tamus kabwate tamus yende.
Mbuya sana nande tukurigiria mangana yechu basari wate banga chikeigu chibera si serikali chabwatu kurense mehem.
Arabo nabona kero kurigereri kuna bono nkorande bago chabatangasa. MCA na charu basari abantu banda baberege tiri tukorigima. Chifo muchare ntunkego chiara. Kwa busega banankorwere chi basari. Abantu bachege tiba baichura bakana kabisa. Chifo mucharu gwenjira getega chiara. Nchendo che serikali yarengi wanja. Chibese chale nkoira na se Ministry of Education. Ministry of Education nemanyete chiskuru chonspi. Nande nemanyete obulemero kire skuru ebwate. Enyare kwa allocate. Kuna wana kera kwanda these developed countries. Amasomo mbosa. Omanyete I don't see why ntu are interest yogo chikoena ne basari. Kwarali. Tiga serikali etwale mikakati in place. Chibesa charugoro chacha chisukuru. Nande serikali tete basa koira ne bintoro. Nande bisiekere nantu chago chigosabera. Kero chia chiroro chiana nande chacha ansega iga chia kolega singa kichiganeiri. So hakuna haja tutwale duplication of roles. Kwarali. Oyo iga totena MCA nkokuru echirwisa to. Ega bana yaru chirwisa. Wemenire kweru chirwisa to.
Omubunge.
No mubunge na ranko wale chia. Chibese chichon sipi kwanyora na ndejere chikale kwanana. Transparency teyo. Ndoko nyoro yobwata nero kwawo. Kwanyoro uri oganeiri taikonyora. Kwarire. Igona sometimes injera chikwanana. Ndio kwanyora no obokomumboro. So bono let it go back. And then chitirimbo kegocha chikole gasinga.
Tukurigira chiskuru chia abanyene kuse private schools na echiga chiko ba funded ne serikali eto bauti nero ene anene muna somurobero go CBC kudaronga chiskuru chia abanyene nchibwate ebintu biri bitakere bisaine kwanyora nchibwate chi laboratory chisaine kire gintu giekerera asinchira yekerero poka nonya abaro kia baisaine kwanyora chi serikali na chichibwate omuchando ningore omuchando monene ase kuse okogera amabagai aigagendera korrekana.
Manyete private schools elio maete it's a private. No monto ikaransta gatabgancha ke school bona ko make sure bintu bribions bibita ke irembiroro. No nye serikali ko nyaranko babwatire sana wa make sure kiregento nkero. Kwarale. Ribona kero go ikasense mo ya serikali ase bintu birita ke rekokora. Kwanyara because of allocation of resources chibesa chigo cha abachinke kwanyara bintu mbiri gokoru bihikirana kwarare igobono neta kire totema kurigereri ncheraki toranyare gokonyana nakina utaona mangana ali private partnership private public partnership kwarare private school nere gaige bata a lot of resources the public school nere in the neighborhood kwarare if we had those challenges yani igota ete konteno omoiburio igo chagete school egera tachete public school. What if this one can also approach the other one? Pakole bintamu. There's no big competition. Uma etekera kukonyo mwana asa masomo. Competition teliande. Mwana ekera aveiro monto manana aveire. Ono monto bya community. Ntego chakolio na wono en private ya etete. Tirato moega asienene. Oyo public ya etete to moega asienke aya. Kero mwana akolire school ama sakaralia. Na roto gutumia as a basis yo como egasi. Igo wono tikatoteme kurigereri. Serikali prioritize bintu biribita keire na private na baro batema se bakonyara. Lakini rende chances are, but that's my opinion. Nabo konyora esukuru nabebwate ebinto ekworokia abaibuli barambiro, lakini abana ko bitumia next orient
biro lakini mbiri gutumika
is a marketing strategy.
Ingirinde biko bere school
It's a marketing strategy. Ewa. Omoibuli kwanda kwara bintu byonse pimbiro lakini konyora bigutumika mbiri gutumika continuously bikore gasi bitakeire because of the cost. Nero muntu abire ndete mbibasa gosare konyora abana bawe ka practical baterenera ale baorokigwa mangana ayo alire. But remember in public schools mostly banafunzi mpaka baliko ba limited ngo bale that free access
ese keregento
kirikiraro baliko ba restricted mono banyara go take responsibility lakini bali banengo tema bali kurinde bintu byabo mbisareka because of the investments kiri babekero but rende toko basaba kero byagoriro tikabana batumie
buno umoro kia bono inki oranyara gukwanira kyo mwere kero tugochugukora
tigankore goteba iga umupango CBC no muyore lakini tige serikali eteme kubika resources chire enough so that tunyare ko implement a program way ever success so that we can be able to achieve the main goal of CBC whereby we'll have graduates who are knowledgeable, they have skills, they are empowered, whereby they have a paper they can own. Maetekero soma tuga ikikirasi ugaikaransa ukanyara all the necessary skills muntu na kubuliri lisakaraliri ya wengi gwakoreta tugo twara taswishi kwarire so wono mwana are empowered na under that ethical bit of it so resources nyare ko bekwaro. Secondly tiga chi institutions chi university kiteme ko review chi curriculum chiabo so that chi banyare ko align with the CBC requirements because very soon abana abungocha bale egento kende kiratuteme kurigeria abarimu abandete basomia abana abono mate basomete ngakiria kare tigabateme konde chiku professional courses short trainings which are available so that banyare konyora skills chiri in line with CBC na anderende tigatonyore amangana community engagement tigabona abaibuli and the general community banyare ko sensitized what CBC is all about, what is the aim of CBC, so that banyare ko own community sensitization so that banyare kumanya the benefits which will come with this CBC if properly implemented. Kwarole amangana ya community engagement na and also lende tikatoteme kurigereria the media also gasimo koranengia. You can always create time na mokonyora abantu from different fields they also come talk about their fields in one way or another. Amangana itakote na CBC kumwana na chaenda amangana sports ona na chaenda amangana humanities ona na chaenda amangana STEM tihabantu bali bacha na baro banyara gutwara conversation mondre to kolega singe nande nereto bendrete kwarore so that into basakorosa because yene sabali to chagete into basakonyetegeranchira nande into kumoyo
mbia mono sana na inde indaganiri rinde kirakene kirorache onyore nga igatie michane yegenderete konekiwa somoroberio CBC yanyare kuguswana gose gokorwa onjo morigereria ase enyencho yebiro nande ayo narobono twakubangerete erituko ria rero nigo ndachie gukugania gose nigo ndachie kugania omugeni anyare gukwana ekiabwate kore ngingo nyare kwana na kwanyara usange kerengerere kyo mwerio mbari ngora nyara kononye amaiga gose nonye advice gochiskari ekero tugukore.
The only advice I can give umanyete bona nakina gocha egento nkere umuibori antebati amasomo negentekia nando once umuntu orira amasomo umuntu tagukura nanya koroma ete properties nko bachire inherited nanya kora chisatebya bicho muibuli kera asirire chikobagano. That means kero kwanya ale kwemba omwana academically ekinegento kwamwa montata ajale kumura subugiro bwaye na ande kwetara mangana ayo intubuna abayibuli tigatoteme koba role model ase abana baito tigatonyare koba example ekia naende rende ekero twabeire example ekia tigatoteme go create a good environment for abana abaiga baito naende tigatobae priority ebinto biri bataete tigatonyare koba support naende tonyare koba guide because of that experience buna abaibori tobwate akoba egento omoibori ararore gaikaransete omwana naende igoro ya omote igoro ya omorima takonyara korora naende tigankore kingoteba iga tigang'iraneri abaibori bane mbuya mono ase okong'a ekeo kia amasomo namanyete na amasomo nagere ntare chinse chinyinge lakini rende okoba nachete esukuru ngakora omokia tigamboiraneri mbuya mono naende omoibori one akoroka Pius Marambe is now a retired teacher, is a senior citizen na mama omoibori oyo okoroka Priska Bosibori mberi nete bune family naende ekero nkorigereri gocha bana nakina iga abantu mbari bare chimente chiane chi role model bora bono tobwate Professor Mary Getui no Musubati kori nkorigereri after 1930 koba bonere naende rende abantu mbare bambwatira okoboka ekero nabwate oboreme ase amasomo ande nare nkona kwibona bono science engokora ng'aingochia nare nkona naikaransa nere namobori Professor John Muoma ore Masinde Muliro ogokora egasi engiya sana naende ekero nkora echianko chiane chiri chisomete Benedict Marambe na Mark Mochache ase egasi engiya bakore no omorugi one ase egasi engiya okora nkagari naende nimaete bonegania egasi are Rose Mosoti
mbuya mono sana naye omwancho omorigereria korwa ase studio ya kabere Abigail Nyanchamba nere nigagenderete goteba ng'a abaibori baire abana chisukuru basome maiga h camera twarengenere Wilfred Matundura na ori ugenderete korigereria aiga nakia agenderete gwikiranirwa Eric Abuga naye omwancho omorigereria mbuya mono sana genderera gutigara ime ya Getembe television erio nyare kwegokeria emiroberi ya station yeiga nche Matilda Obaigwa ekero naringe no mogene bwerituko Dr. Douglas Mosoti aiga kero twanyare gukwanera amang'ana yechisemi goika rituko ria ankio nainde chinsa cha mwambia na kwiraneirie mbuya mono nainde igenderera gutigara ime ya Getembe otware oborigereria obuya.
Getembe Television ekionga kia Mwamogusi.
Ine nubwate emeyega gose nouganetie emeyega yawe ikarane boronge nutagete chiema chingia naende chinting'u chiokogora gose gokomboia tarera Buffer Tents iyo emanyekaine mono buna Buffer Services ni company ekoeneke buna emeyega yawe yaikiranire boronge